Caterpillar continues to make enhancements to better serve our customers when they shop for parts online. Launched in the first half of 2021, Parts.cat.com will expand to offer self-service options. Self-service options bundle everything you need to perform service, including required parts, recommended tooling, and service instructions to do the work. While repair options have been around for years, you'll now be able to choose an available self-service option, complete your purchase, and schedule parts for delivery or pickup, all from your desktop or mobile device. Let's take a look. Landing pages for more than 3,000 Parts.cat.com supported models have now been created. These landing pages display only relevant part information that has been confirmed to fit each selected model. On each landing page, you'll see information grouped by categories of self-service options, preventative maintenance, category search, and top-selling parts. To find your machine or engine model page, from the home page, add your model number to the My Equipment box next to the search bar. If you know your serial number, enter it before saving your equipment, with the option of also adding a name for it. Adding equipment allows for quicker access in the future. Once saved and selected, click on the three dots to expand the menu and select Shop Parts. You've arrived at your model's page. If you didn't add it previously, to see available self-service options, you will need to add your serial number, enabling the appropriate information to be displayed. The various options appear for your selection. Selecting an option then shows the full details. Skill level, average repair time, and specific repair details are all included, along with a preview of the service instructions. The actual service instructions are provided through a downloadable link after completing your purchase. You'll see all relevant parts required to complete the repair and can increase or decrease the quantity of parts based on your need. You will also find parts related to the service, which you may consider replacing at the same time. Any recommended tooling that will help with the repair is shown as an optional choice. The order is completed through the newly improved checkout process, where you will find your service instructions available as a high-resolution PDF document. Instructions are also available to revisit as part of your order history. Try out this exciting new feature now available in Parts.cat.com, creating the experience our customers expect and deserve around the world from Caterpillar.